Alrighty, good afternoon here, guys. So I'm gonna go through the image view demo, just so you guys have a reference to look back on. So the first thing I want to do is let's put an image view in here. I'm gonna go ahead and drag this over. Now, since I have that in, I can go ahead and we can start to connect my image view. All right, I'm gonna hold Control on my keyboard. Oh, let's start to zoom in there. Hold Control and go ahead and drop that below my view controller. And I'm going to write my image view. Okay. So here is my outlet. Now, once again, I always give myself some room above the view did load because that is where I'm going to put the majority of my stuff. It's either going to go up here or in my view did load. All right. So below my view controller or inside my view did load is where I pretty much start. And to clean things up, I'm going to delete these comments down here. Just be careful you don't delete your squigglies. Okay, so now I have that. I need to write my let statement. Let, so my image equal baseball. So, here we go. First time I wrote it, it did not pop up. There we go. Autofill baseball. All right. So now when I run this, all right, so this is why we always open it up right away when we start so that doesn't take so long to fire up here. Remember, when I put my pictures in there in the assets folder, I can just drag these right over. Right, I can pretty much just do this. Take these guys, drag it over to where it is, and drop it in my assets folder. All right, but I need to actually open that up. Otherwise, what's going to happen is if I drop them here, all right, it's not going to kill you, but where's my stuff? All right, I'm an idiot. The reason it's not loading, people, is because I didn't put anything in my view to load. So if I go my image view, all right, dot image, because that's what I'm putting inside that image view, is my image, which is that baseball. Now let's rerun this. And as you can see, my baseball appears. All right. Once again, it's deformed because my square is longer than it is tall, and baseballs are pretty proportionate. So, all right, now I need to get my other picture to show up. So I'm gonna hop back into my my screen here, into my storyboard. I'm gonna go ahead and add a button. I'm gonna go ahead and drag my button over here. All right, so now that I have my button in here, sorry, I got busy doing something, but now that I have my button in here, I need to connect my button over below my outlet. All right, I'm gonna type this on button tap. All right. Oh shoot! So you see what I did? My button is an action. All right, I didn't make it an action. I need to delete this and redo it. Bring it over. Create an action and on button tap. There we go. So now I have my brackets. All right, I need brackets to be able to tell that button what to do. So this button has to let my image equal baseball bat. All right, my second image. Then I'm going to take that same code that I wrote down here on line 30 and write that here. So it's freaking out. It's scared, all right, because it doesn't really know what to do yet. It doesn't know where this picture is supposed to travel to. So now I have to let this picture know where to go. So go to my image view. All right, dot image. Since we put a picture in the image view, and my image. All right, let's go ahead and hit party. Oh, this is my tic-tac-toe board that I made. I'll show you guys that tomorrow. All right, so this is perfect. So nothing came up. All right, my app failed. So if I go back to my app here, all right, I'm looking at this. Guys, you've seen this screen a few times. All right, when this comes up and it looks like a mess, all right, pull up your debugger, okay? And if it says this class is not key value coding compliant, on button tap, all right, that means something, I messed this up. I messed that up somewhere, okay? So remember, I have to go back up to my folder here, hop into my storyboard, scroll to the top, find my little button here, click that, and there it is. All right, that is my error. That's, all right, go ahead, delete it, fry it back up, and see it loading, build successful. Click my button, changes to a bad. All right, so there we go, folks. How to do a view image. Now what you can do is say you want to make a flashlight, guys, you can make this picture. This is how you do a lot of backgrounds. All right, you make this picture the size of your background. And now if I had a black screen and a white screen, I can flip on this button and it'll go from black to white. All right, and I know some of you have gotten it to go back to black, so that's the way to make the flashlight turn on and turn off. Alrighty. Oh, thanks for watching. See you later. Oh, quickly. Break lines. Hold and delete them. It will mess up your app. All right, bye.